welcome to my session, Creating Digital Escape Room Games with Kahoot. My name is Ceren. I am a Turkish teacher from Turkey and also Kahoot ambassador. It's so glad to be here. And today we'll be discussing key aspects of preparing an escape room and how to develop a storyline creating escape room with Kahoot. And at the end of the presentation, we will play a Kahoot escape room game with Kahoot, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Firstly, I want to talk about digital escape rooms. Digital escape rooms are immersive, interactive experiences that challenge players to solve puzzles and complete objectives within a virtual environment. And these games blend storytelling and problem solving and technology to create thrilling and engaging entertainment and also engaging lessons. And they are based on interactive presentations like Google Slides or Kahoot. And there is a key point is students need to solve different puzzles to get to next screen, and you need to make those puzzles more interesting. So there are so many benefits of digital escape room, but I will talk about three of them. Firstly, they enhance engagement. Digital escape rooms captivate students with their rich narratives and innovative puzzles and dynamic environments. So the students much more motivated with the stories. And utility is the second benefit of the digital escape rooms, because any subject and topic can be turned into an escape room for any class size or age group. I mean, I'm a Turkish teacher for 6th graders, but if you're elementary school teachers for 2nd graders, you can also use digital escape rooms. And the third one is this collaborative problem solving, and it's really important to working together. And these games encourage teamwork and fostering communication and problem solving skills among all the students. And there are three components of a digital escape rooms. Firstly, you need a story, immersive narrative. And secondly, you need challenging puzzles and interactive elements. Immersive narrative means a captivating story that draws students into a virtual world and motivates them to uncover the truth. Secondly, if your puzzles are complicated or mind-bending, and also these are challenges that require logical reasoning, observation, and innovative thinking to solve, and these are another key for us. And the third one is interactive elements and dynamic, responsive features that allow students to manipulate the environment and progress through the game. So how do I plan the activity? How do I plan a digital escape room game? Firstly, you need to decide on the general topic, and you need to decide on a storyline. And this is the main component is the of the digital escape room. And secondly, you need to consider the size and age of your group, your students, and you need to make a list of the key concepts that students need to learn. You know, we are using digital escape rooms as educational materials, so we need to make a list, and we need to we need to list of the key concepts that the students need to learn, and we need to they need to explain it. So you need to decide on the type of the puzzles. Remember always that you are teacher size and age of the group, so you need to decide your type of puzzles for your students. If they older, their puzzle will be difficult, but you always into in consideration with that. And write down the code word or number. I said that because if you are creating a complicated digital escape room game, and there will be so many passwords, keywords, and codes. And if you start to play this game, you don't remember all of them. So if you write them, you will be great to complete it. And then another thing is playtest. Playtest is where after finishing the game, you need to test your game with a small group of students, small group of colleagues or family members. You need to play with your game, and you need to test your game, if it works or not. So main component is storytelling. I said that you need to create a storyline, and you need to create a story firstly. And you need to create a story that makes sense, connects all the puzzles and challenges in the game. And emotional connection, secondly, use the story, characters, and feeling of exploring makes students feel excited and curious. If you make your students feel excited or curious, that will your lessons more engaging. And lastly, design the game to look awesome with detailed environments and characters that make the students feel like they are really there. And it's also really important for us. How can we create a story? How can we write a story? Actually, firstly, every part of your activity should tie with your story. And you always ask yourself that question: if that was a film or a book, would the students want to see it? If your answer is, keep going. But if you answer no, you need to work on it. And you have full choice of genre. You don't need to be realistic creating a story. You can use a book or a movie as a set of your game. And or both, like Harry Potter or Narnia or Lord of the Rings. And if you like storytelling, you can create exciting characters like or plot twist. But if the creative writing is not your strong point, you need to create a complex atmosphere and link the puzzles together. A story might suggest itself. I want to explain it like this. If you are a story teacher, the story includes many stories in it, or many characters, or many difficulties. So you can use your lesson or your lessons topic as a story also. These are the favorite escape room themes. I found those themes from Wikipedia, and you can use any resource from internet. You always consider your students' age for those themes also. Tomb and ancient civilizations, space, historical, supernatural, science, spy, and crime police. These are the students' favorite escape rooms. Actually, it will be fun also for the adults. And designing engaging puzzles and challenges. First, we created a story, and now we will design our game. So we need to use puzzles or challenges or locks. We need to use lots of different kinds of puzzles, like logic puzzles, riddles, codes, and keep students interested with it. And also we need to begin with easy puzzles and make them harder as the game goes on, so students can get better at solving them. It's always a motto for education, from easy to harder. And if you give feedbacks or hints, please give hints and feedbacks for your students at the right times to help them, but make sure without making it too easy, without making your game is easy. And these are my some suggestions for logs and puzzles. And logs, Loki is a website offers to create a variety of online logs. I recommend it. Please check it out. Also, Word documents, Google Documents, Google Slides, OneNote, and they all have the password protect section, so you can use it. Also, Google Forms. If you create escape room games, the complete escape room games with, using different platforms, you can use those logs. But if you create a digital escape room, I mean in Kahoot, you can use hidden objects, QR codes, code wheel, jigsaw puzzles, crosswords, cryptograms, and Caesar cipher. Also Caesar cipher, I will recommend you to check out. Method in which each letter in the plain text is replaced by a letter some fixed number of the positions down the alphabet. And you can use those puzzles as images. So we can use those puzzles on Kahoot also. So remember that. And also, Kahoot has many tools to create a digital escape room game, like slides, quiz, true, false, type answer, slider, and puzzles. We can create a plain quiz with Kahoot, of course, but if you add a story in it and also design a game atmosphere with Kahoot, you can make a digital escape room with Kahoot also. How can we use those things? We can use slides. We can use slides to give information about game and its stages. I will show you my game. And quiz, true, false, type, answer. These are great tools to create engaging puzzles. Also, we use images to create game atmosphere. And along the game of atmosphere, also you can use images like puzzles. Also, you can create another puzzle with images. And benefits of using Kahoot are they can be created easily because it's so easy to use. And also accessed by as many students as needed at the same time. And they can be shared with colleagues easily. And also, once the escape room design on Kahoot, you will need no other preparation. You can use all the time more than one, and same Kahoot. So these are the digital escape room games, and also how can we use Kahoot. So now we can play our game. Okay, so let's start. Our game name is Lost Artifact. Firstly, you found yourself trapped in an ancient chamber, dimly lit with torches flickering on the walls. A mysterious voice echoes through the room. Welcome, brave adventurer, to Lost Tomb of the Pharaoh. To escape, you must find the legendary artifact. This is a slide, and I introduce my game with these slides. And we need to escape the Tomb of the Pharaoh now. So we will find an artifact. We have some information about our game now. So please next. And this is room 1, entrance. You start in a small room with hieroglyphs covering the wall. There is a locked door ahead and a pedestal with a stone tablet. On the tablet, a riddle is inscribed. So there is a riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wings. What am I? It's a riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? I give 1 minute, I guess, for this question. It's the type answer question. So exciting. And time up. Oh, echo is the right answer. And echo, yeah. And oh, wind table, I don't know. Okay. Plane waves together, no. Okay. Yeah. Great. MG. So next question. It's a keyword. You need to find this keyword and keep it and write it down, please. To get away from a situation, place, or person that you do not like or that limits your freedom. First letter is E. You need to find this word and keep it because you will need it at the end of the game. Okay? It's not so difficult. I guess it's okay, right? Yeah. And we are now in second room, the puzzle chamber. As you enter the next room, you see a mural depicting a series of symbols. That mural seems to provide a clue. It's the story part, and now we will see the mural next on the next page. And read the mural. Align the symbols to reveal the path in order of moon, star, sun, and red. Unlock the passage, break free from the groove to find the artifact and escape your tomb. So please read it. And now it's puzzle. Arrange the words correctly based on the mural you read. These are, yeah, it was easy, right? Great. I might give some more time, I guess. But yeah. Yeah. Okay. Moon, star, sun, and red. That tomorrow we read those words, this ordering. So, okay. And Cindy, Miss Al, Jane, and Christia. Okay, great. Let's see. Our second keyword is with. We find out the first one. We write it down, our first keyword. And second one is with. It's just the word. So we keep it. If we keep it, we can go on. Yes. We are now in the room 3, the hall of mirrors. You step into a room filled with mirrors, reflecting your image infinitely. Amidst the mirrors, there is a plaque with an inscription. The key to unlocking the entrance lies within the duration of the civilization. Which civilization? Civilization. Seek it out to proceed. The key to unlocking the entrance lies within the duration of the civilization. Seek it out to proceed. So, if you are ready, it's a true or false question. And ancient Egyptians were a civilization that ruled for 3,000 years. True or false? Yeah. Five, four, three, two, one. Great, it's true. That's true. They ruled for 300 years. So we can keep going. And our scoreboard is changes. But they are great. This is high standard. Okay. So this is our third keyword. What's colorful, full of laughs, and turns any room into a battleground of wits? It's a game where questions fly, friends complete, and only one can wear the crown. What am I? Where are we? What are we using now? So we are room for the final challenge. You reach a chamber with a pedestal and its center atop which rests a legendary artifact, a golden scrap. But as you approach, the room begins to shake and the walls start closing in. A timer appears, counting down from 20 seconds. So you have 20 seconds, so you must fast, okay? Only 20 seconds. And type answer. And double points. Please enter the keywords, all of the keywords from the beginning. You have three keywords. 1, 2, 3. First one's letter is E. First letter is E. Second is a word. Yes, escape with Kahoot. Escape with, wait, escape. So, escape with game, okay. Escape, exit with Kahoot. Exit with Kahoot, we can maybe. Escape with game, okay. Thank you so much. And that's all. Let's see the podium. Third must be. Congratulations. And Anika, second place. And first place is David. Congratulations. You are doing great. And Heather and Alicia. So that's all. Thank you for your participation, and it was really great for me. And I hope this session has inspired you and will assist you in creating your own escape room games.